In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit styles in Figma. Whether you're maintaining a design system or just cleaning up a project, updating styles is one of the fastest ways to keep your work consistent across an entire file. Start by opening the Figma file you want to work in. Once it loads, click on the canvas background, essentially an empty area of the page that isn't a layer or component. Selecting the background helps Figma show file-level context rather than object-specific properties. With the background selected, look to the right-hand panel. Here, you'll see the styles available in this file, grouped by type. Typically, you'll find color styles, text styles, and effect styles like shadows or blurs. If you don't immediately see them, make sure you're in the Design tab on the right side, not Prototype or Inspect. To edit a style, hover over the one you want and click the small settings or gear icon next to its name. This opens the style details so you can adjust exactly what that style controls. Think of this as the source of truth for every instance using that style in your file. Now, make the changes you need. For colors, you can update the hex value, tweak opacity, or switch between solid, gradient, and image fills. For text styles, you can modify the font family, weight, size, line height, letter spacing, and paragraph spacing. For effects, adjust blur radius, shadow color, X and Y offsets, and shed. You can also rename the style and add a description to clarify its purpose. Clear naming conventions, like grouping by purpose or theme, make your file easier to maintain. As you edit, keep accessibility in mind by checking contrast for text colors and ensuring sizes work across breakpoints. Once you confirm your changes, the style updates instantly throughout the file. Every element that uses that style inherits the new settings, which saves tons of time compared to manual edits. If your file is part of a shared library, you may see an option to publish these updates so your team can pull them into other files. If something doesn't look right after an update, just undo or revert the style to its previous state. A helpful tip is to duplicate a style before major changes if you want a safe fallback. And that's it. Open the file, select the background to reveal styles, open the style settings, make your edits, and the updates flow everywhere. Thanks for watching and happy designing.